Hi there! Laxmi is sitting cozily on the sofa with her book of short stories. She loves to learn more about the characters in the stories. But how can we as readers know more about a character? Well, writers usually write out their characters in great detail. This is known as characterization. Laxmi loves to read books about magic and adventures. In this sentence, the writer directly tells us about what Laxmi likes to read. This is known as direct characterization. It is when the writers tell us about the character's personality and qualities directly. But what do you think about this? Laxmi gets up, keeps her book down, and makes a cup of hot chocolate for herself. It shows us that Laxmi likes to drink hot chocolate or likes to take a break while reading. Here, the writer is not directly saying that Laxmi likes drinking hot chocolate while reading her book. Instead, the writer shows this through her actions. This is an indirect characterization. It is when writers show us more about the characters indirectly rather than directly. The readers have to infer or interpret the characters from this. But how do we know what to infer? Once again, the steel wheel comes to our rescue. The characters' dialogues, thoughts, effects on others, actions, and looks can tell us a lot more about their personality and qualities. Laxmi's father shouts at her, but Laxmi is not very bothered. From her dialogue, we know that Laxmi does not like her dad disturbing her. This is a direct characterization. Laxmi goes back to reading. She thinks about her father, her school, and homework. From Laxmi's thoughts, we know she is worried about her schoolwork. This shows that Laxmi listens to her father or takes him seriously. This is an indirect characterization. Laxmi's action in reading the book had the effect of angering her father. So, how characters have an effect on each other shows us more about how they feel. Laxmi, dressed in pajamas and t-shirt, also shows us how she perhaps likes to be comfortable while at home reading. So remember, to know or infer more about the character, ask yourself what are the character's dialogues, thoughts, effects on others, actions and looks tell us about them directly or indirectly. This is the STEEL method. Now that you have learned this, we can analyze our favorite characters too. See you all next time.